Hello everybody, today I want to give you a little bit of insight into guided learning activities. As you can imagine, teaching in an online class is a little different than teaching face-to-face. In a face-to-face classroom, if I want to give students instructions, I can say them out loud, I can put them on a PowerPoint slide, write them on a whiteboard or chalkboard, or bring them up on a smartboard. But in an online classroom, it's a little bit more challenging, so we have to really pay attention to guiding our students and providing step-by-step instructions or details as to how to complete assignments. So being from an online perspective, I think this is such a great activity for everyone, even those of you who will never teach online, to learn. So how do we guide students in order to get them to understand a topic or a concept? Well, I wanted to show you an example. This is an example of a guided learning activity. So basically in this math classroom, we're teaching them to develop the concepts of zero and negative exponents. And you don't have to be a math person to understand how this is a step-by-step process for students to get to a solution or an understanding. So basically, instead of saying all of these steps out loud, a guided practice might provide all the steps in writing, showing images or providing both written directions as well as providing examples for students to kind of follow along. So when you develop activities in your own classroom for students, especially using technology, think about how you could create step-by-step instructions on how to solve a problem or answer a question or write a paper. So again, the guided learning provides students examples as well as detailed instructions on how to accomplish a task related to a learning standard. Some other things that are happening in this unit or module, we're going to be taking a look at the ways students learn. So I'm going to ask you to think about how students learn differently. We're going to look at ways our students can interact with us in classroom. Clickers or remote devices are kind of popular, where it allows students to share their ideas anonymously, answer questions, or you could actually assign their names to the clicker and have them complete quizzes, interact with games, etc. We're going to take a look at Khan Academy. Maybe you've heard of Khan. This is such a cool idea where it started with him trying to help his niece that lived far away with some math problems, and he developed videos, how-to videos. We also are going to take a look at assistive technology. This helps those students who have certain limitations or disabilities achieve their learning goals in the classroom. Our mini projects for this week are the flyer. We're going to make a little communication piece which represents a productivity tool, so like a little newsletter of something that's going to happen in your fictitious classroom, as well as a brochure that again would share information related to the topic that's described in Mini Project 7. Last but not least, you have your live text progress check. So please make sure you stay up to date with live text and keep adding things or creating things. Don't wait till the last minute. And let me know if you have any questions.